Record. Okay, so welcome again, guys. Now we are about to begin. I'm Kevin Alex Bent. So welcome to the 2 weeks free Forex class that I'm having right now for everybody. So once you want to be a part of my free Forex class for 2 weeks, all you have to do is actually send me a message with your full name and your email address, and I will send you a formal email how you can actually take part into the free Forex class. So here at Earthwell Trade Academy, what I did was look into myself and thought, okay, you know what? Persons out there, they need the knowledge. And also, not many persons are able to financially get themselves, off the ground without an expense. So a lot of persons, they want to learn Forex, but they don't have the money to start trading Forex. They don't even know how to, right? And you don't need any money to start trading Forex. You don't, okay? And these are some of the things I'm gonna start to teach persons, how you can practice and start with a demo account and so on. But we're gonna go into that in a minute and so on. But I wanted to just welcome you guys to the team, and to know that it's a great opportunity, and you guys should maximize on the opportunity. You should, and I'm saying that seriously. I'm saying that you should maximize on the opportunity. Reason why I'm saying that also is that I had a project that I was doing for the last 2 weeks, and persons, not going to take any calls right now. Sorry. Persons who was a part of the last batch that we did, the first batch from the 17th to the 30th, that was a tremendous success. So I realized that a lot of persons are struggling, not knowing anything about Forex, and they want to know how they can make money from wherever. And being a part of many opportunities as well, I didn't want persons who don't have money to really miss out. So even if you don't have any money, it shouldn't be a reason why you're not a part of an opportunity. So I see every company I'm seeing right now around the block, they're talking about sign up and then you can actually learn Forex, sign up for this amount, sign up for that amount. So I'm thinking to myself, all right, Alex, how can you be greater? How can you be bigger? How can you be better? How can you be phenomenal? How can you be extraordinary? How can you be legendary? Fine, I'm just gonna teach you for free. I'm just gonna give everybody everything for free. I'm just gonna give everybody everything inside my brain for free. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit them so hard, and I'm gonna bring every one of you guys up to speed. So I'm gonna show them that you don't have to pay a penny to learn how to do Forex. So if I can do it, you can. I had to pay to learn it, but I decided to give it away for free. So that's in itself, ain't nobody in the world is doing that right now in my scale, in my environment, in based on what is happening right now. So I don't want you to join this team, that team. You're here right now, and that's what I'm all about. So I'm gonna do it for 2 weeks for free, and then you guys can do your testimonials after about what you learned and how you was. Very simple. So I want to take this opportunity to really tell you guys, you know what I mean, use the opportunity. So after these 2 weeks, if you cannot trade after 2 weeks being with me, it's your fault. So you have to take responsibility of ensuring that you're at the class. So if you're not there, you can't blame anybody that, you know what I mean, you didn't learn. If you come here, case maybe, I will take my time and go through the material with you. And I want to put that out there. So this 2 weeks is supposed to be a tremendous opportunity for us to really dig in and to actually push ourselves to see how much we can absorb and how we can actually, you know, do the best of our ability. So I want to jump in that. Now, the next thing is that we're going to move on to the second stage. I just did a little slide, you know, just take you through this moment here right now. And we want to move to the introductions. So everybody in the car right now, I want you guys to say your name, what do you do, where you're from, and get to know each other. You know, that's what it's all about right now. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go through what we'll be covering for the 2 weeks that you'll be here. So let's go. Unmute your mic. Let's start with Latoya. You're the first one on the block for today. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
So I'm Latoya Wilson. I'm an entrepreneur. I provide air conditioning, maintenance, and installation service to commercial and residential customers. I'm very much interested in trading. I have a financial background, well, academic background. I've never done any actual trading or any stock purchases, usually through a broker. So I want to get to the point where I can bypass the broker with buying my stock locally, buying my stocks overseas, as well as get into doing the FX trading. I really want to learn FX trading, hence why I decided to jump and join your team.
All right. Thank you so much. You will need the brokers, by the way. Legally, you will need the brokers to facilitate the transaction. But what you want to do is
Okay.
actually be able to actually independently do your own trades, which you can. All right. So thank you so much, Latoya. You're in the Forex market right now. Stock market is in itself a different entity altogether. The Forex market is one of the largest market in the world. I, Kevin, Alex, been a part of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, where I went and did my securities course there and did exceptionally well. And I trade my own money on the stock market, Forex market, and crypto market myself. So if I can do it, you guys can do it also. So thank you so much, Latoya. Latoya, you're gonna learn
Okay.
so much here. Next up, we got
Okay.
Tadisha. Tadisha it is. So I'm gonna actually put you guys there in the register right now. So I'm gonna make note of who is on the call as well. So go ahead, Tadisha.
Hi, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning. My name is Tadisha Cowell, and I'm an attorney.
Woo.
My specialty is conveyancing, estate, contract, personal injury, everything except criminal law, pretty much. I'm interested in Forex trading for additional revenue in order for me to create wealth. I have a business background, so I just want to have different areas of getting income, you know, to create generational wealth. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell for me. So I have no clue about Forex, no clue about stock marketing, nothing at all, but I am open to learning.
All right, thank you, Miss Attorney. Welcome to the call for today, and I hope that you
Okay.
enjoy your time being with us for the 2 weeks. And this will help you tremendously, and Earthworld Trade Academy will help you to reach that journey of you independently trading on the Forex market yourself and making that wealth for yourself and your family. All right, so next we got Edwards. Is this Edwards? Edwards,
Yes, that's Edward.
nice to
Are you
meet
hearing
you.
me?
Yes, we are hearing you. Welcome.
Okay, great morning.
Morning.
My name is Rashida Edwards, and I'm a student at the Mani College. I study tourism and hospitality management. I'm interested in Forex because I've learned that one source of income is too close to none. I'm from St. Catherine, Jamaica.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And for persons there in Jamaica, in St. Catherine, big up yourself, right? Spanish show in St. Catherine, Kingston, Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, Mandeville. Palma Trelawney, Ochireas Negril, big up yourself. Clarendon, and so on. Who up next? We have Crystal on the line. Crystal, hi.
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 Yes, I'm Crystal Warlock. I am an entrepreneur. I believe in
You're an entrepreneur. Speak it like into being, and I'm an entrepreneur. You gotta get it, girl.
I am.
Entrepreneur, yes. Speak with confidence. I'm an entrepreneur. All right. That's it. That's fun.
I
Right
believe in steady income.
Mm-hmm.
I believe in, I like to do multiple
So where you're
things.
from? What do you do?
From Antigua. I
You're
am
okay.
founder of an educational series that is being launched around the Caribbean right now called Studyful. I'm a youth MP in my country, and
That's
I'm
nice.
also
So you're a youth MP, member of parliament in your country.
Yes.
So I'm happy that you have here. So we have a member of parliament here as well.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
Suppose I wanted to keep that a secret though.
It's not going to be a secret. The case may be when we're doing things, we do it rightfully our way. And the case may be, if you want to learn, there's nothing wrong with knowledge. And nothing wrong with knowledge.
Right. I believe in generational wealth as well. I have a son, so of course I want to make sure I leave quite a few things before I die.
Okay. Thank you so much. I mean, there's nothing wrong with generation wealth. If you guys should look at the monarchs, and you should look at how order of persons within the crowns. For I am a king myself. If you look and see how people maintain wealth, is through generation wealth. Most wealth that are inheritance. So it's been passed on to generation wealth. So you need to know about first, second, third, fourth, fifth generation kind of money. Okay? And it goes on. Okay? So thank you so much, Crystal, to be a part of the call. Everybody there in Antigua, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Kevin Alex Ben. And we got Jasmine. Jasmine, is it? Jasmine, can you hear us? Got to unmute your mic, Jasmine, so we can hear you. We're not hearing you, Jasmine. To your bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that icon that looks like a headset. You may want to touch it. It says connect via audio, and then you will be able to speak and we hear you. No? Having difficulties? Well, there's a lot of text messages coming in. We're going to pass on Jasmine for a minute, but Jasmine, you need to introduce yourself. We need to hear your voice. Read. There's persons keep on jump in and out of the call. Oh, your mic is not working. Okay, so text us. I will speak on behalf of you. So Jasmine is on the call. She said her mic is not working. So tell us where you're from and what do you do? If you just type that in the chat, I will pass on the message to the team members. So it's a team effort. So what's your last name? You're Jasmine, what's your last name? All right, we're gonna wait until Jasmine send over the information. But Jasmine, send us what is your full name and what do you do? You can text us in the chat if you cannot speak to your mic. Anybody else? Did I miss anybody else? I see, no? All right, so we're gonna move on. So thank you guys so much. And I'm Kevin Alex Bent. Hold on, she said something. Okay, so Jasmine Miles, she's from Kingston, Jamaica. So welcome, Jasmine Miles. And she's a physiotherapy intern. She does physiotherapy, and she's an intern at the establishment that she's working at. All right, guys. So thank you so much for that, Jasmine. All right, we got Nadia Wallace. Can you hear us? Nadia Wallace, can you hear us?
Yes.
You got to turn up your mic. We're not able to hear you. We're not able to hear you. Right, that's it. Press it again. Press the same button again, whatever you pressed a while ago. Press it again. Right, speak now. We're supposed to hear you. Go on. Nadia, we're waiting on you. Where you from? What's your name? We're not hearing you. You mute your mic. Unmute your mic. You just turned on your camera a while ago. Unmute your mic, bottom left-hand corner, where the mute button is.
And I'm on.
Right. You can speak now, and we can hear you.
I'm on.
Turn your mic up. Turn your mic up. Position the mic properly, and we can hear you.
Oh, come on. Okay.
I think, guys, I got to go through a course with you guys, a little lesson how to use Zoom properly. But don't worry about it. It's always a trial and error, troubleshoot at the first go. Don't worry about it. We're going to move on to the other person. In the meantime, Nadia, you can actually text that information in the chat. We know your full name already, where you're from, and what do you do. Jaime, Reed, you can unmute your mic, introduce yourself.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Jaime Reed. I'm a student transitioning into college. I live at St. Catherine.
St. Catherine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Jaime is a student in St. Catherine. Welcome to the call as well. So for the members that is here, I didn't get your information. Oh, she's saying, Nadia Wallace, she's saying, yes, I'm hearing you. I'm from Kingston. And she's saying she is from Kingston. She's employed in relation office of NSWMA. She's an employee at the NSWMA. Those acronyms or abbreviations, not too familiar what that is, but hey, you guys, you can do some research and find out what that is. But nevertheless, welcome, 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 and everybody here, welcome. So myself, I'm Kevin Alex Bent, age 33, company owner of Earthwell Trade Limited and Earthwell Trade Academy. Been in the industry for a while, been in insurance for a while, studied at the College of Insurance here in the Caribbean, did life insurance, did health insurance with the International Comprehensive Health Insurance Program, ICHIP, with one of the #1 brokers here in Jamaica, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, there at Holyoke Road, selling US policy up to $5 million US policy. Been with Guardian Life and Sagicor, sell policies through the brokerage houses there, and tremendous business owner of several businesses starting up as an entrepreneur, been a part of many online business opportunity, and currently is a part of many opportunities, active investors in the Forex market, the stock market, and the crypto market. So doing tremendously well. This year, hoping to release my book as well, 13 Gods in One Man. That's the name of the book as well. Starbucks Jamaica, first author as well. First man in Jamaica to write a book from Starbucks Jamaica. So quite a bit of things. I mean, I've been busy. Now here, I'm a part of an opportunity with Tradera as well, a business venture that I take part in 2.5 months ago. And it's really reaping benefits more than what I invest in initially. So, so what I want to do is actually just continue with the journey and ensuring that everything is actually moving accordance. So that's me in a nutshell. So guys, what I want to actually do as well is move from this stage of introduction and look into the 2 weeks free Forex course. The free Forex course that we'll be doing for the 2 weeks is to ensure that when you leave my class, you'll be able to actually make a trade. You'll be able to actually know what the Forex market is about. You'll be able to make a living for yourself. Okay, so that is my greatest wish for everybody, to get more knowledge. So I want you guys to be on time. So I will send you the time schedule for the free Forex class. The free Forex class is going to be 11 a.m. during the week. There's going to be 5 days of lessons that is going to take in place. 5 days, just like a work week. You want to learn something? Take 2 weeks, and we're going to choose 5 days out of the week, out of the 2 weeks, to actually run it. So it's actually going to be 10 days over a 2 weeks period. So within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we're going to run 10 days out of the lesson. And these 10 days will cover 2 weeks. And we will choose the days that we're going to use to actually do what, right? And that will be on the next lesson when we meet. So after the meeting, I will send you the schedule for the times for the meeting and which day. Very clear, okay? And finally, these are the lesson plan that I have for you guys. So this presentation will be uploaded as well to the YouTube and the Facebook groups as well. So you guys can watch the recording. So this 2 weeks course, we'll be covering time management in the Forex market. We'll be focusing on each student's talent and skills. We'll actually show you guys, I will show you guys how to set up your Forex demo and live accounts. I will show you guys the MT4 and the trading view. I will show you guys currency pairs. I will also show you guys time zones and the different time zones where tradings are taking place and which time zone you want to trade within. I'll look at terminologies and tools that you use on the MT4 and the trading view. We're looking at price and price channel. And we're also looking at market structure, support and resistance. And then we also be looking at the charts, how you can do your charts yourself. And we're going to be looking at risk management. So risk management is the 13th lesson that we're going to look on. And then voila, it is graduation time. So that should cover the whole 2 weeks. Okay, very easy, very straightforward. But it's a lot of lesson. And I will break it down to you very simply so you guys can really get it. Okay. So everybody here that on the call, there's 7 of you guys on the call right now, including myself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including myself on the call right now. So what I want you guys to do is to, after you finish, after we come off Zoom, what I want you to do is to message me and said I was on the call for 11 a.m. And at 1 o'clock each day and 8 o'clock every night, I do an opportunity call as well. So if you want a business venture to venture in, you can join into that presentation or those presentation at that time. All right. And the skill sets you're going to get here is actually going to be playing out in real life as how you can actually make a living for yourself. So several stream of income, that's what you should be aiming for, just like myself. All right, so that in itself, it is it for this morning. Oh, one more thing. The classes will normally be about 40 minutes to 30 minutes each day. 30 minutes to 40 minutes, tops. All right. All right, so thank you so much. I got a next lesson coming up with some other students as well that need tutoring as well. So guys, thank you guys for joining. Anything anyone want to share? Any questions? Any concerns? Anybody? Anything you want to say? We all understand? Hold on, I get a text message. Okay, thank you for having us. Well, you're welcome, Nadia. Thank you so much. So this is what is going to be happening for the next 2 weeks, guys. All right. Any questions? No? Guys seems very shy today. Guys are shy today? Okay. All right, so thank you so much for joining in. I see you on the next class for sure. And I will send you guys a schedule for the lesson for the 2 weeks. And please send me your email address so I can send you the formal email as relates to being a part of the 2 weeks lesson as well. All right, so thank you guys so much. Once again, have a great day. Bye-bye.